Last year changed everything for me, but I believe this year is even promising more. Hi guys, my name is Tamara Johnson. I'm a self-taught artist, but professionally, I'm a mobile videographer and a video editor. Every time I say that, I always feel a bit like a fraud because I'm only proficient in CapCut, but I've recently been learning professional software, so watch out. So while I do all this for a living, I make art videos here in my small cozy room for YouTube because I just fucking love it. Why else would I do it despite consistently having these ridiculous views? But I'm hopeful. For the better part of this channel, I've simply gone by with my full government name, but I've changed last year to more simplified, creative and original name, Nod. I know people still have a lot of struggles pronouncing that. And Nod means creating illumination on a different or new path. Yeah, I completely made that up, but it has a good backbone, trust me. Today, I'm doing one of my favorite movies, Marty Suppreme. And on the first watch, I seriously wish it had a longer duration. I've tried drawing some movies I watched over the years, but I feel like the reason why I'm sometimes reluctant is because I'm not always confident to interpret it the right way or get their resemblance. So I can say it's a bit of fear, but I'm working on getting my confidence and drawing consistently. So I guess you never know if you don't try. So let's try. Let's see how it goes. Drawing this just made me realize how difficult it actually is to draw Timothy Chalamet. Really, I can remember there was this sound trending about how it is impossible to draw Zendaya. I think it's all on the wrong person really, because getting the jawline right and the face structure and the exact face size with the way he played the character in this movie is very, very difficult. But I feel like if you are, you're struggling to find the resemblance, just learn the mustache would save the day, to be honest. And at the end, just remember it's a practice. You don't have to get it right, you don't have to be spot on and your first, second, even third trial. It's all practice. It's just a way of flexing your hands, so you don't have to be too disappointed or too down if you are not getting it right.
I should send my husband instead.
Oh, sure. You can come up here and I'll come down and meet you.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
Well, yeah, I want to keep talking.
Why is that?
Because I never talked to an actual movie star.
Well, now you have. I hope the experience was all you thought it was.
I'm something of a performer, too.
Are you?
Yeah, you don't believe me? What?
Art, just like any other discipline, takes a while before you get into the groove. I've noticed that every time I start drawing, my first few drawings are always difficult and I spent a lot of time trying to get it right. But after a couple of drawings, my hand could find the rhythm again and it starts to get easier. I think the trick to it might be doing some practice drawing before starting with the main one, but most of the time I don't really have the patience to do that. I drew the first two drawings mostly with a graphite pencil, but I decided to use my mechanical pencil for this because I'm more used to it. For me, I'm more comfortable with mechanical pencils because I like the way it feels in my hand. It's a bit heavy and lightweight at the same time. I don't know how to explain the feeling honestly. Most of the time I use this 3 set of mechanical pencils, 0.5, 0.7 and 0.9. The smaller the number, the lighter the line weight, so I just use it in that order. But I've finished up my refills for the 0.5 right now, so I'm just using this tool for now. You know what guys, there's a particular process I always skip while drawing, and it's the part just after drawing out the layouts where you have to clean up the drawing slightly before you can outline with a thicker pencil. I really do enjoy that part, so I just find a way around it. I go straight into the shading part the moment I'm done drawing out the lines. This is probably not the traditional way of drawing, but every artist have their own way of going about their drawing, and I'm a firm believer of if something isn't working for you, just do it your own way. So guys, I'm finally done with the drawings. I know it's not perfect, but it is the representation of Marty Suppreme in my style. If you are an artist and you are struggling at the moment with getting things right and being perfect, my advice for you is to get out of your own way and just, stop overthinking and draw. It is as simple as that. Okay, so after this video, I hope you go and pick your pencil and you start drawing, and I also hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.